how to make a music track with AI. In this video we will explore how to create a music track using the power of artificial intelligence. And the best part is that it is completely free. I've discovered a fantastic website that allows you to compose your own music. And all the tracks are copyright free. So with this track you can now also get monetized on your YouTube video. Here are some examples of what has been created with this AI. In my opinion, the result sounds incredible. It's mind-blowing what you can achieve with AI. To get started, you will need to create an account on this website. Once you have done that, simply click on the Create Track button. The process is easy and the output is truly unique. First, select a genre that you want, such as Ambient. Then, choose a desired length for your track. You won't believe how flexible this feature is. You can even go up to 3 minutes. After you have made your choices, click on the Create My Track button and wait for the results. If you are not satisfied with the outcome, no worries, you can click on discard and get a new version. I'm not quite satisfied with the result, so I will click on discard and generate a new version, as you can see. This sounds amazing, I really like it a lot, and the fact that it is created with AI is just mind-blowing. So I will press on save, and now we need to click on the library button. There you will find your saved track. And all you need to do is click on the download button to obtain your masterpiece. Keep in mind that you will need to agree to the terms of use. And if you plan to use the track on social media, don't forget to paste this in your description. Now check it out and click on the download button. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.